Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix is not working on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so check your charger. After check your charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Android update. For example, click on Android update, click on storage and clear cache Android update. After clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.